So, you want to know how to lock each camera to a different view? Well, you've come to the right place. Hello guys and welcome back. Today, we will take a look at how to lock each camera you have to a separate view in the same scene. So let's go ahead and open any scene we have in Blender. The one I use here is from the Blender demo files. Now here, we have two cameras in the scene. So if we split the work view, and want to enter the camera view in one of them, it goes also in the other one. So to keep each view on a different camera, we can use the local camera option in the sidebar menu. So hit N to open it and go to view. And here you have the local camera which needed to be checked first. Then with the field near it we can assign any camera we have. The one on the right have the camera number 2 assigned on it, so we can open the sidebar again in the left window and assign the other camera by simply taking the pin icon and selecting it from the layers. And here you have it, each work window has a different camera assigned to it, and this might help you add the final edits on your scene easily before render it, and that's it. See you guys soon, stay sharp, goodbye.